Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to withdraw money from Phantom to bank account. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So what you need to do first is you need to begin by accessing a cryptocurrency exchange that supports Solana or any other tokens held in your Phantom wallet. Now, what you need to do is you need to sell your tokens for a stable coin such as USDT or USDC, which are pegged to US dollar. Now, transfer these stable coins from your Phantom wallet to your cryptocurrency exchange account. Now, on the exchange, sell your stable coins for fiat currency. Now, once the sale is complete, initiate a withdrawal of the fiat currency to your linked bank account. Now, follow the exchange withdrawal process and provide your bank account details for the transfer. Now, some exchanges may require verification of the withdrawal request via email or two-factor authentication. Allow some time for the withdrawal to be processed, and processing times can be vary depending on the exchange and your bank's policies. Now, once the withdrawal is processed, the fiat funds will be deposited into your linked bank account. Now, in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.